making some, I didn't even slam it down like that, y'all. We're gonna be making some homemade gravy. I got some flour. I'm mixing mashed potatoes. Got my 3 red potatoes here because I'm only gonna make a little bit of mashed potatoes, y'all. Got my onion for my gravy. We got some French string beans. I don't know if y'all like these right here, but these I always love this one, like the French cut green beans over the other ones. But yeah, y'all, so that's what I'm gonna be having for dinner today. So when you see me in the next clip, you guys, you're gonna be seeing me taste the Salisbury steak. But yeah, y'all, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's get into this video, you guys. All right, you guys, we have the vegan Salisbury steak. As you can see, we got some mashed potatoes, we got some French green beans, and we're about to see what this is going to taste like. I'm gonna taste it right here because I did not bring my little table that I usually sit right here. So I'm not gonna hold that. So let's see what this is going to taste like, y'all. We're gonna try. Of course, we like everybody loves starch. We're gonna try the mashed potatoes first. Mashed potatoes are fire, y'all. Oh my. Let's try the vegan Salisbury steak. Oh my God. Y'all. That's funny, y'all. Everybody be like, when it's something good. I tell you, this right here is good. Let's try these string beans. Oh my. Yes, y'all.
All right, y'all. So we got the onion sauteed. All right, the Salisbury steak is ready. All right, y'all. So I just made the gravy, added the onions back in, added the Salisbury steak, the seasonings, and yeah, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and let this simmer for about 10 minutes, and I'll be back. And there you have it, guys. Vegan Salisbury steak over mashed potatoes and gravy with a side of French cut green beans. Ooh, don't that look so delicious, y'all?
Of course, y'all already know this is my dinner. This is the end of this video, you guys.